Based on key financial metrics, our financial analytics solution allows for the monitoring and evaluation of your company's financial health and performance in a set of interactive dashboard visualizations. Presenting relevant financial KPIs and metrics, our solution enables informed decision-making to boost your financial health and meet your financial objectives. Also included is the ability to easily filter your data based on the fiscal year and hierarchical structure of your company, allowing for detailed insights to specific financial performance based on your selection. Our solution uses data from 3 of your company's financial statements, namely the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow statement, to communicate your financial performance with relevant personnel and investors. Our profit and loss dashboard provides a means of communicating the figures of your income statement across time. Focusing on the income and expenses, and thus profitability of your company's operation, this dashboard conveys your month-to-date and year-to-date financial figures against your budgeted and forecasted figures. Our solution also gives further depth to your net profit figure by visualizing your financial data in terms of both raw figures as well as margins and ratios, and allowing for a comparison versus the same time period of the previous fiscal year. Our cash management dashboard communicates your company's liquidity and cash flow across time. Also presented are your accounts receivable and accounts payable figures and turnover ratios in order to evaluate your accounts handling processes. Our financial performance management dashboard communicates the key financial metrics of your balance sheet across time in order to evaluate and ensure your company's long-term viability and success. This dashboard presents an effective means of monitoring your assets and liabilities over time, thus providing a means to evaluate the capital structure of your company.